Tired of the stock market feeling like a high-stakes casino? What if I told you there's a lazy way to invest smart? A method so simple, yet so powerful, that even legendary investors like Warren Buffett recommend it for most people. Welcome to the world of index funds. By the end of this video, you lines understand exactly what they are and why they are considered one of the most effective investment strategies for long-term wealth. So, what exactly is an index fund? Imagine you want to bet on the entire US economy to do well over time, but you don't want to pick individual company stocks like Apple or Amazon. An index fund does the work for you. It is a type of mutual fund or ETF that holds a portfolio of stocks or bonds designed to mimic the composition and performance of a financial market index. Like the famous S&P 500, the S&P 500 is simply a list of 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States. When you buy a share of an S&P 500 index fund, you're not buying one stock. You're buying a tiny slice of all 500 of those companies in one go. The fund's goal isn't to beat the market, it's to be the market. It automatically buys and sells stocks to mirror the index, which is why we call it a passive investment. You're not paying a high-priced manager to actively guess which stocks will win or lose. You're simply riding the wave of the market as a whole. This leads us to the first major benefit: instant diversification. The old saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket," is the golden rule of investing. If you invest all your money in a single company and that company fails, you lose everything. With an index fund, your investment is spread across hundreds, sometimes thousands, of companies. If a few companies in the index perform poorly, the success of the others helps to balance it out. This significantly reduces your risk compared to picking individual stocks. It's the ultimate safety in numbers. The second, and perhaps most compelling, benefit is the incredibly low cost. Actively managed funds have a fund manager and a team of analysts who are paid handsome salaries to research and select stocks. These costs are passed on to you, the investor, in the form of a higher expense ratio. These fees can eat into your returns over time, often without delivering better performance. Index funds, on the other hand, are passively managed. There's no need for an expensive research team because the fund is simply tracking an existing index. This results in much lower expense ratios, meaning more of your money stays invested and working for you. Over decades, the difference in fees between an active fund and a passive index fund can amount to tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in your final portfolio value. Finally, there's the beautiful simplicity of it all. Investing can be intimidating. There are millions of data points, charts, and opinions to sift through. Index funds cut through the noise. You don't need to be an expert in financial analysis or spend hours researching companies. Your primary decision is which broad market you want to invest in. Do you believe in the long-term growth of the US stock market? There's an index fund for that. Want to invest in international companies or the bond market? There are index funds for those too. This set-it-and-forget-it nature makes it the perfect starting point for beginners and a wise choice for experienced investors who prefer a hands-off approach. Getting started is just as straightforward. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account with a reputable firm. Many well-known companies offer easy-to-use platforms. Second, you choose your index fund. A US total stock market index fund or an S&P 500 index fund are popular and excellent choices for most long-term investors. Finally, you buy shares. You can invest a lump sum or set up automatic, recurring investments, a strategy known as dollar cost averaging, which takes the emotion out of trying to time the market. In conclusion, index funds offer a powerful combination of diversification, low costs, and simplicity. They allow you to participate in the long-term growth of the economy without the guesswork and high fees associated with active stock picking. It's a disciplined, proven strategy for building wealth over time. It may be the lazy way, but as you can now see, it's also one of the smartest.